dangerous, he's a deadly man. This is wickedness. Wickedness is at his evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. What is the meaning of life when it's about you? You derive joy, putting another in pain. I see you smile when you cry. The evil you do, the evil you do shows you have no heart, no conscience. Selfishness run through your blood, always hungry to do evil. Oh, why are you like this? This is wickedness. Wickedness is at his evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. This is wickedness. Wickedness is at his evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. Your heart is on the throne. You think you will rule. When you rule, you think you will rule the world. You forgot there's a hidden eye watching you, watching you. The word is enough for the wise. Don't allow your desire to ruin you, destroy you. What you can do to yourself, don't do that to another. Greediness, selfishness, everything you have is evil. Don't forget, there's a judgment day.
Give her power so that no animal will kill her until her time is up.
Yes, true.
Mama, you called me.
Yes, I called you. I called you because you're no longer a child. I watched you grow and went through the university. But till now, you've not brought a girl to me to say this is the girl you want to marry.
Mama, must we visit this topic every now and then? Marriage is a lifetime decision. It's a lifetime decision. You don't jump into it. Listen, Mama, when I find the right woman, I will bring her to you. See?
Are you telling me all the young girls in this village, none is good enough for you?
Mama, it's not like that. It's not like that.
And so?
Okay, I'm still searching. Are you happy now?
Happy? Searching? You are over 30 and you are still searching. Above 30. Searching.
Mama, like I said before, marriage is a lifetime decision. You need to take time so that you don't make mistake. Do you want me to jump into marriage and jump out? Let me take my time now. After all, God's time is the best.
Yes, it's the best, I know. God's time is the best. I don't want to be hearing this. Don't tell me that.
Oh, Mama, do you know what? I'm going out.
Going out where? Sit down. I want to tell you I found a wife for you.
Mama,
Papa,
you have found a wife for me. Mama, come on. This is 21st century. You don't find woman for anybody. You don't find a wife for anybody. Okay, are you the person that will live with her? Let me do my thing now.
well done. Because we are in the 21st century, I should carry my grandchild in the grave.
That's not what I'm saying. My point is, marriage is not something you rush into. I need to take my time to avoid mistake. Mama, I'm tired of repeating myself. I'm coming, big love.
Hey! Don't worry. You are tired. It's not as if there's no money in this house.
No mistake, like.
What is wrong with this boy? You come and meet me and find a wife.
Where's your father?
He went for the elders' council meeting.
I called you to come to my house this morning. What happened?
Mama, I was about coming before my father asked me to go call Mazi Namdi. That he has to attend the meetings together. And on my way coming back, he asked me to stay back. And someone is bringing his land document. I'm sorry.
My son has been around for 4 days. And I've been telling him about you. I know if you come and he sees you, he will like you at once. You know you're a beautiful girl.
Mama, you started again. Don't worry, I'll come in the evening.
Are you sure? I pray you finish dinner fast before you come. Don't fail me. Hmm?
I'll be there.
That's my in-law.
Alright.
Oh yeah, let me start going.
Alright, take your father from me. Thank you.
By your age, I will play you today. I will finish you.
Don't get why I don't win.
I will finish you
I
today.
won't play anything, man.
Okay. Don't be like peeping. Initial gra. I will fuck you up now.
No be hook up police, the win case.
Okay now.
This thing why you spare house rent for Abakoba.
Okay. I will tell you, say, who first buy motor, and I buy old model. Come now, you see now.
Okay now. Hold on there. I get waiting to play for my go market.
I can block you. You know that. No! You don't have it. It's not possible.
There, Jesus.
Market.
You
don't have it.
One day they go the hold on.
You know get out.
Ebe. Now so, market. Now so, target one top day. Maliva, Mago market. Ugo, you mean your mother is looking for a wife for you?
My brother, I don't understand my mom. You won't believe this. My mom wants to choose a wife for me. Every now and then, hey, get married, you are above 30, get a woman, blah 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 blah. I was like, Mama, listen, this is 21st century. You can't pick a wife for me. Are you the person that will live with the woman? Nobody does that now.
Come pick your wife for me.
Look, let me tell you something. You need a wife. Or you need a serious date. At least you people are from well-to-do family. Unlike me. Listen, marriage is beyond what we see. And forever is too long to live with a mistake. Are you getting me? I need to take time. I need to be careful. I need to know that she's the one. So I can make mistake, guy. Have you joined them? Be careful, no. Look, okay, you said, however, I have a queen. I have a queen as a girlfriend. You're more intelligent than I am. So you need a girlfriend or a wife.
Maybe by intelligent. You have a queen, fine and good. Enjoy your queen. When I find my own queen, trust me now, I don't overdo. I'll carry the case for head like gala. But as for now, nobody should disturb my life.
Oh boy, leave that matter. Go marry.
Don't talk this matter again. In fact, no talk again.
Go marry.
No talk this topic again. You just go marry, change topic. I don't want to change it again. You just go marry, go marry.
I need to keep for house.
Then your own, only place, you get mad.
Now, what about money now? What about money now? What do you want to chop you? Huh?
I will bust your eye. Get married, get married. I give my mom. Yes, I was just joking now. I don't do that kind of joke. You guys call my mom for her, you come to the top of your own. To marry them by force. They shall get married, na achievement.
Na joke at the joke.
Tomorrow, who go feed the children?
Who could continue game where they play?
Who continue game? I beg, let me. I know you are.
Okay, now for evening now.
Evening is my man.
No wahala. I know say shine me yesterday. Come make I collect am back.
Please forgive me. No, I'm not trying to call him for yourself. I can draw. Why is it that the gods are silent over our kingship?
The gods are not silent. Yes.
Okay.
Terrible things are about to happen in this village. Yes.
Did you say terrible things? It's about...
It has already started happening in the spiritual realm. But I am waging the war against the physical realm. Yes.
Are you saying that something terrible is about to happen in this our village?
Yes.
Hey.
Since the king died, his spirit has never been at rest. But I'm begging him to forgive our atrocities.
Are you saying that the king was killed by someone? Eh?
Go home.
Ani nani kemu lekuye Marina karipala mu Karele madu Ogogo
Angel, my babe. You're really looking like an angel indeed.
It's the work of my God, Amaike Chukwu.
Your own is better. Oh, where are you going?
I'm going to the market before my father comes back from the council meeting.
I've been waiting for my dad ever since he went for this elder council's meeting. And he's not yet back. And I'm supposed to go see Mama Ugo.
Yeah? Who did I just hear you mention his name?
Ugo.
Ugo. Is he back?
So the mom said, though.
So he's back. And my boyfriend has not told me. Anyway, let me come back first from the market.
So what will you do?
I know what to do.
Please, Enkwa, don't go and spoil things for me.
I don't understand.
What is it you don't understand? Anyway, I think I'll see you later, or maybe tomorrow. Thank you, eh?
Bye-bye you.
Mama! Where has she gone to now? Mama! Oh!
Hey, I'm here.
Ah, you're even here, sir. Came to look for you. How are you now?
I'm good.
You're even cooking, Mama.
Yes, so you're welcome.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine, Ma.
You came when I'm already good to go.
Mama, I'm sorry, Jerry. I was about coming earlier. Papa left the house and is not yet back.
Please carry this thing inside for me. Thank you. So who did you leave the house for?
Mama! Nobody, oh. There's no one at home yet, sir. Let me see if I can even help wash the plate. Oh.
Thank you, my daughter.
Mama, so how about we go now? Is he back?
No, but I know before this food is ready, he'll be back.
Please, I can't wait to see you. Oh, go by his supposed husband.
You see him? Oh, thank you. I'm still about to finish this one and go and start washing please.
Mama, I'm here, don't worry.
That's why I want you to come to my house. That's why I want you to come. Thank you.
Mama, you know, when I was coming, I even saw Angela on the way. I'm sure that thing must have been getting ready by now.
Thank you. Let me see your cooking.
Mama, don't you trust me?
I trust you now. Why?
Mama, leave it, don't worry, I'll do that.
You're a good girl. My son, you are back. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
This is the girl I told you about. Beauty. You remember?
This is Beauty, the girl you told me about. You brought a total stranger to cook for me. All in the name of you want me to get married. How sure are we that she has not eaten, what do they call it? Charm or love potion?
Oh, love potion.
Why will a total stranger cook for me?
Add small. By the time you finish eating love potion, you will love and you will fuck up.
Do I look like
I'll be so happy. Hey!
Listen, if I come back and meet you here, your color will not be easy.
Don't mind him. That is how you behave whenever he's shy. Don't worry yourself. Cook. He will eat it. Put love potion if you have.
Why is Okoro parading and calling himself king when the Ofo is yet to fly to his house? Dikeh. The gods are silent. Yes.
But I see strange things showing that the gods are not silent.
But if not so, we are doomed. Please, do something. Do something, please.
This is too much. This is too much for me.
Makanive kale mo kale mmadu. Ive kale kwale mmadu. Kale kwale ndemu. Obubu, how real are the things you saw?
So real. They are reality.
What are you doing here?
Sorry, I was about leaving. ask you a question? Are you always like that?
What do you mean?
I mean the act you displayed there.
Oh no, Mama. I'm supposed to be rude to you. But let me be a gentleman for once. It's not like I hate you, no. Oh, this is 21st century. Jet generation. You don't impose a woman on someone, no. I need to connect naturally with the woman I will marry or date. Not someone bringing someone to impose on someone.
I understand you, but it's okay. And I'm sorry about that.
Excuse me. What's your name?
I'm Beauty,
Who is your dad?
the Prime Minister of this community. You know what the village. Can I have your number, please?
070.
He's ready to die. He's taking his life. He has made up his mind. He's going down, going down. He's ready to die. He's ready to die. He's taking his life. He has made up his mind. He's going down, going down.
Ikechukwu! Ikechukwu! My angel, this one you're shouting my name like this.
Ikechukwu. So brother Ugo came back from the city and you did not inform me.
Is that why you're shouting my name like that? Inform you as what? As your boyfriend or what?
At least you would have informed me now. Eh? Baby.
Don't baby me! Don't!
Baby now. I'm sorry. Eh?
Please don't baby me.
Baby now, at least you would have told me now. Eh? At least I would have collected things you brought from the city as usual.
Look, Angel, I am not in a good mood right now. How can you walk all the way from your house to my place without asking about my well-being first, but you are asking about my friend?
You have told me came back now. You have informed me. Okay, I'm sorry now, please. I was just joking.
Joking? Joking, you say? Joking as if I'm the one owing you. Am I your debtor?
I'm sorry now. Okay. How are you? How are you now?
I'm fine.
So where are you going to? Inside.
He's ready to die. He's ready. This is wickedness. Wickedness is a deceiver. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. This is wickedness. Wickedness is a deceiver. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. What is the meaning of
Igwe? Anyoma.
Igwe.
Hello. Anyoma. Ndị ọma. Ndị ọma ụmụ ụkọji eme ọnụ. Ọ ga-adịla unu na mma. Unu ma na mbụrụ igwe na ọ ga-adịla unu na mma. Amara onye ha na-eme ife. N'obodo ụmụkọ nka. Obodo anyị abụ ụmụkọ. Ka mmadụ ga-eji na anyị m ife lụrụ m. Emesi unu ga-enye m the crown. Beauty! Beauty! Beauty!
This is wickedness. Wickedness is a deceiver. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. Your heart is on the throne. You think you will rule. When you rule, you think you will rule the world. You forgot there's a hidden eye watching you. Watching you.
Did anybody come looking for me?
No, Papa.
Are you sure? What about the man that was supposed to bring some documents?
Papa, I didn't see anyone. How did the meeting go? Have they fixed the date for the coronation?
No. But I have told them that if they refuse to give me the crown, I will wear it on my own.
But Papa, it has taken so long. I thought the tradition say it's meant to fall on us now.
Don't worry, my daughter. I know exactly what to do. Huh? Is the food ready?
Yes, Papa.
Serve me outside here. Let me enjoy this fresh air.
All right.
Look at all the you deny your dog with a luria. And I'm a wanaka. Oh, my crown. I confess here or Dalao. My gods, I have come again before you. You have done a lot already for me. But now, they don't want to pronounce me the king of this village.
Papa? Papa, oh. Can't you go to Papa? Papa!
Becoming a king is patient.
I have been patient enough. Now I just want you to help me turn the head of my elders so that they can fix a date for my coronation.
You know what you will sacrifice, so do it.
I will do it, Isiba.
What is this man got? Papa!
Beauty!
Papa!
Beauty.
Papa,
are you looking for?
I'm looking for you.
I just came outside to take some cool breeze.
Papa, there's something I need to discuss.
I'll go and bring some.
He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. What is the meaning of life when it's about you? Pretty like joy. See you more than good. See you smile when you cry. The evil you do shows you have no heart, no conscience, selfishness.
Due to this one, you want to discuss something with me. I hope I'm safe.
Papa, you're safe. Papa, do you know Mama will go?
Yes. Is there any problem? What about her?
Papa, there is no problem. It's just that she wants me to marry her son.
Okay.
But I don't know if the son will want to marry me.
Are you not beautiful enough for any man to die for you? Or do you see yourself as an imbecile? My daughter, you are very beautiful. Huh? All you have to do is just be patient. Let the young man think it over and then probably will want to come and marry you.
You're right, Papa.
Don't let it bother you. You're an angel.
Thank you, Papa. That's fine. Papa, let me go inside. Accept your water since, but I don't know. I'm sure it must have been cold by now.
Don't worry, I'll come inside when my body is cool.
Alright, Papa. Don't waste time. Don't start looking for you again. For you,
Don't forget, there's a judgment day.
You see why I want you to get married?
Mama, it's too early for this now. It's too early for this. Marriage, this early morning, marriage again. Mama, calm down now. You overspeeding now.
What did you say about her?
Alright. Mama, I don't even know what to say.
She's what? Do you want to marry?
Oh, how? Marry someone that I don't even know?
Go and know her.
Huh?
Go and know her. Go and know her. Try and know her. You think I like seeing you like this? I have said my own. You will know that girl. Know her so you can marry her.
You know that you are the Prime Minister of this village. And everything you do must be for the good of our village.
So, are you people now telling me that if I become the king, that things will not be good in this village?
Nobody is saying that, alone. What we are saying is that there are traditional rules to be followed. Yes.
Okoro, are you telling us that you are not aware that a four of this village flies to the house of the next king?
But it has been 2 years since the demise of our king. The offer is yet to fly.
That is why we should wait for the offer to choose his own king.
It is a lie. It will not happen.
What will you do?
I will go and carry the offer on my own. Huh? Have you people ever thought about what the neighboring towns will be talking about us?
You know that. You know that. But there are traditional process that needs to be followed. Do not carry them. Because if you do, your friend will strike you dead.
What if it didn't strike me? Huh?
Then you become our king.
Okay, no problem. Then I will prove to all of you that our offer does not fly anymore.
Angel. He's so cute. He's charming. But he's crazy to be with.
Crazy.
Yes. I mean, He behaves as if he has never been with a woman before.
The brother who I know, he behaves that way. But he's so loving. Because I want him to marry you, so I will be your bride.
Oh my goodness. The very moment I saw him, it was the whole world was turning around. He was so cool to be with. Angel, you need to know what I'm talking about.
Somebody's lost.
You can say
you
that.
are very lost. Do you have his number? You can call him sometimes.
I do have his number. I have his number.
So, why haven't you called him?
I'm afraid to call him. Babe, I don't want him to shout at me.
The brother who I know is not that kind of person. He won't.
He's ready to die. He's taking his life.
No. I won't call him now. My heart is heavy. I'll call him later. I think by then my heart must have been settled.
I smell fear. But don't worry. I will tell him about you. Oh? Cheer up.
You will not understand. You won't understand.
I beg. Cheer up. I'll talk to you.
You're an honest and quiet, smooth man in this village.
I know that.
You're a good man.
No doubt.
And I want you to understand that I am fighting not for any other reason than to carry the villagers along. Not for my own selfish reason. It's for the interest of the villagers.
Mazoko, I know it's for our own good. But I want to tell you that it is the gods that choose this, not humans. Yes. Apart from going for a meeting or this kingship thing, you know you're my very good friend. Let us relax. Just let's take it easy.
Namdi, did you say we should relax?
Just to relax a bit.
Then we'll become a laughing stock to all the neighboring villagers. Do you understand that this Omoko village is made up of intellectuals, educated individuals, and they are out there waiting for us to do something?
I know all this. I know.
It's been 2 years.
Yes.
Since we lost our king.
I know.
And you're telling me we should wait a while. I want you to support me in this.
I will support you, but I am not the gods. See, let me just suggest for you a good idea. Let us consult Ogugu so that we can ask him where the problem is.
Yes. We need to go see him.
We need to go, yes. Let me just wash my drink so that you wash.
You think you will run?
Brother, so you've been around. I don't want me to see you.
I've been around fine, but I've been very busy. So how are you?
I'm fine though.
You are shining.
All thanks to my love, Ike.
Ike the Lord.
Odogu.
My mom.
And then look at my daddy.
Ike bye. Do the sofa.
Nah, just there. Let's go.
Calm down, relax. Let's go. Where are we going to?
Look, I don't want to let the cat out of the bag. Let's go. When we're back, we'll eat something.
Okay, I believe you.
One day, Kaiwa.
Bye. Come back in time.
Please, let's go.
Even now, I told you.
Don't worry. I'll soon get for you. After we carry on the morning.
Umuko youths, I greet you all. Like I told you before, that the youth body needs a good leader, a well-exposed leader, and with my capacity as Ikechukwu, I've brought the person here. Well, you all know Ugochukwu. Ugo, please stand up. Ugo just came from the city, and amongst us is the most enlightened person, and unanimously we agreed to make him the youth president of this village. Hail President!
Hey! John Chokoto! John Chokoto! John Chokoto! Chokoto! How? My elders, the gods are still silent. Yes. You both should go home and come back in 3 Ekebake days. Yes. When coming back, come with all the kinsmen. Yes. Maybe by that time, the gods might have spoken to me. Yes.
But
Go! Go!
Meet the mountain
instead of waiting for the mountain to conquer us. Oh, come on, I just come on,
oh no. but it's so strange to me. Very, very strange.
Don't worry about it being strange. The only thing you need to do now is go and tell other kingsmen that we have an emergency meeting tomorrow morning. Okay?
I will do just that.
He's a deadly man. What is the meaning of life when it's about you? You derive joy, putting another in pain. I see you smile when you cry.
Why are you doing this?
They must not know anything.
For 2 years, for 2 good years, you have been manipulating me. And the gods are silent on this.
Yes, I control the gods. You must learn how to control your own gods.
Is that what you are saying?
Yes. And for your information, you must ensure that they make me the king. Nonsense.
This is wickedness. Wickedness.
What have I gotten myself into? Ogugu, 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 please forgive me. Ogugu!
Mama, you won't believe what Ikechukwu did.
How did you do?
Like I told you before, that the youth body needs a good leader, a well-exposed leader, and with my capacity as Ikechukwu, I've brought the person here. Well, you all know Ugochukwu. Ugo, please stand up. Ugo just came from the city. And amongst us is the most enlightened person. And unanimously, we agreed to make him the youth president of this village. Hail President!
Yes, sir.
I hope you accepted the offer.
Of course I did.
Hey! That's nice. I'm so happy for you.
Mama, I am happy.
Hey!
It came as a shock and surprise.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Tell Ikechu to come. I need to kill a big fowl for him.
He deserves it.
For being a good
He deserves it, I swear. He even promised to lecture me on it.
What is the reason that I can't be crowned the king of this village? I have done everything there is just to be the king. Yet, everything, all my effort is like exercising futility. Talk to me. Talk to me, Isiba.
He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. What is the meaning of life when it's about you? You derive joy.
Isiba, why are you silent? Why? It's been 2 years since the demise of our king. Yet, the crown is empty. The throne is empty.
Always hungry to do evil. Oh, why? Why are you like this? This is wickedness. Wickedness is our deceiver. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. This is wickedness. Wickedness is our deceiver. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. Your heart is on the throne. You think you will rule. When you rule, you think you will rule the world. You forgot there's a hidden eye watching you. Watching you.
Papa, what is it? I have served you your food since morning and you haven't touched it.
I just need to be left alone.
Papa, how can you be left alone? Why can't you talk to me? Have you forgotten I'm your Adani? What's your problem, Papa?
This village is my problem. Solving their problem of no Igwe is my problem.
Well, I have told you countless times, Papa. We don't want you to have high blood pressure. Or you want to die and leave us alone. By the way, OK called and he said he's coming back tomorrow.
Okay, my son.
Yes.
I can't wait to see him. I have missed him so much. In that case, you can go and warm my food.
Fine. Papa, I've already warmed the food.
Then let's go inside.
Wickedness is our deceiver. He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. This is wickedness. Wickedness is our deceiver.
Uju?
He's dangerous.
Uju?
Deadly man.
Uju?
Yes, Papa. Papa?
Run to Mazekolo's house. Tell him that I'm ready for the meeting. That he should start coming immediately. Okay? Good. Where is Lily?
Okay, she's inside.
Go fast. Lily! Lily!
Papa!
Come. Give me my breakfast. Okay? No waste time, no, please.
Uju, my eyes have seen my ears.
What is it this thing?
He's okay.
Hey, well, is okay dead?
Okay is back.
You mean our own okay?
Always your cousin. The okay that you know in this village is back. In fact, you need to come and see okay now. Okay is now a big boy. On my way coming back to fetch this water, I saw okay. You need to come and see the kind of car okay is driving. Okay is the latest in this town now.
Hey. Okay, I'll see you later, yeah?
Uju, are you going?
Who turned up the music? Who turned up the music? Come on. Shit! Okay, Papa, it's okay. Papa. Hey! Papa, you are most at Nanum because you know. Eh? Okay, one is back.
Said I should tell you to come directly to the meeting.
Oh, I'm sorry. Tell your father that I can't make it today. You see what is happening? My son that lives in America just came back. Okay, I'm happy.
Okay, I'll deliver the message.
All right, my dear. Another thing, tell your father when he's through with the meeting, come straight to my house. I have good news for him.
Okay, sir.
What is that your name again?
Uju.
Uju.
Very good. Let me go and enjoy with my son and my daughter. almost at the bottom.
But if I want that, they customize. So I won't try on you.
Hey!
So whether Nigeria...
Wait, one more.
Understand?
Angel, how far? I'm fine, oh my friend. How are you? I'm fine.
Where are you going? And where are you coming from?
My dad sent me on an errand.
Daddy's girl.
That reminds me. Can you imagine? Okay is back.
Okay. Which of them?
Hey, okay now.
Which one now?
Okoroso. He's back.
Okay. The one I know or another one?
Okay now.
I'm not sure. You must be kidding. I'm not sure. Okay, he's back.
Yes.
Okay. Let me run. I'm going to tell Mikey. I'll see you later, yeah?
Okay, I'll see you later. Has Papa gone to the meeting?
Yes.
Okay. Let me go and meet him there.
Come now. Hope all is well.
Yes. Okay is back.
Okay. Which of the okay?
Okay now. Oh no, son. He's back.
Are you serious?
Can you imagine? He has big cars. Oh, you need to see okay.
Don't I make it up?
Don't worry, I will explain to you better when I come back. I need to go and message Papa.
Okay now. I'm going to market.
I don't know what is keeping Ono. Calm down now. I don't know.
Mazinabdi, is it not you who told us that Ono had something important to discuss with us?
Yes, I'm the one. You see, you have to calm down. Take it easy.
When I talk now,
Ono is on his way. Very soon he will be here. Take it easy.
When I talk now, they will say I'm the stubborn one among us. How can Ono fix a meeting and yet to be at meeting?
Ojubu, calm your spirit down. You are too hot. He has gone to Gugu.
Gugu what? Because people went to see, is that the reason why he will keep us here for a whole, a full day without coming to see us? Look, let me tell you, I'm going home. Next time he wants to come for a meeting, he should come to my house and come and see me.
No, it's not like that. Listen, see, please, don't be offended. Which organ? Just 1 minute. What are the phone? Yeah, they are the phone.
What nonsense?
Papa, Nono's son is back.
Okay. Hey. Ask upon me here been a meeting. Adoma,
well, he said we should continue with the meeting, but when you're done, you can come to his house.
No problem. Wajena,
Okay, have it.
See, something might have kept him. His son, okay, is back. That's why he's not here.
That's why he kept us.
No, like that. Remember that next day came up and we are going to sit and discuss how we are going to meet Ogun. Are you hearing me? Okay, Mom.
Papa.
So, you mean to tell me that you have more than 3 of this car in America?
Papa, let me tell you. Afambo, okay, Oko. Ego di Oko. Papa, let me tell you, I have 21 cars in America. See, Papa, Nkaki don't worry about Piaka or buy wine and on anymore.
I couldn't afford
Papa, ATM, boot ATM. So, Papa, I have money. So, beauty, one the kind of men over there.
But a lot is happening.
Yes.
A lot is happening. In fact, the latest is that Ugo, the one you know, is now appointed the latest youth president of this village. Uncle,
tell me for some more. Okay, hold your uncle. Fuck them. Okay, now hold on. They report from the US. Well, I can get America. Damn it, Papa. And Papa when I met. So now I was you to leader. So it was in the youth. Let me tell you, over my dead body.
Can go this no.
And I as no go get you for what? Papa, one look me come on more about go the okay, too much money. Papa, over my dead body. So, damn it. I'm on you now. Open up by a pass.
The one on Mwazia. It's a moon and my friend, the youth leader. Everyone has Igwe. I'm looking for the crown. That is my level. And all the befitting of me. Onye one oboda. Ofunketo Ben. Ya Allah. Yeah, beauty!
Papa!
Come and take off this plate. Take off this nasty plate. Very soon I'm going to be Igwe. Stuff like this will not be around. You think I have the paraphernalia of royalty? One day we're going to make a damage. I'm going to America. Because you're American, you're going to damage. And then more house.
He's a deceiver. He's dangerous. He's ready to die.
Hey, beauty.
My love.
How are you?
Fine. I'm sorry I kept you waiting.
Wow.
Anyway, my brother just came back from the US. Everywhere is crowded.
Are you serious? So you have a brother that stays in the US?
Of course. Stays in the United States of America.
Wow. That's good. So where is my sweet?
Don't worry, I didn't bring it. I'll bring it when I'm coming next.
It's all good.
How you know? I'm not looking bad.
Just there, bro. Just there. Recession is pushing me in front of me.
How can recession push you? Oh my goodness. Do you know what? I think there's something I need to show you.
Are you serious? Something like that?
And you like it. You know I don't keep you waiting. Apart from today, actually.
Okay, oh, if you say so.
You miss me.
Yes, but if I tell you, you start falling now, so let me keep it to myself. I missed you.
I missed you as well. What have you eaten?
I ate Indomie.
Who made it?
My mom, of course.
Mama will not stop feeding you.
After 1 hour lecture of go and marry, she finally gave me Indomie.
Are you serious?
I'm gonna hear every morning. We are both 30, go and marry, the earlier the better, blah 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 blah.
Mama will not change.
I need to change my mom for you. I'm tired of this one.
Please, you just have to leave her like that. At least she's on my side.
I didn't do my career and I can't record. What can I do?
Guess what? Angel, you have started again. You know I'm not good at guessing.
Try now. Try just small guess now. Small, try.
Okay. Your father wants me to come and seek your hand in marriage.
Far from it. Try again.
I am not good at guessing. Tell me.
Okay, it's
back. Okay? Which of the okay? Our own okay? You mean Maziokoro's son?
Yes.
That is good. I will go and see him. At least I forgot. I have a place I'm going with to go. So maybe when I'm back, I go check him in the evening or tomorrow.
Okay.
That's fine. How's your father?
He's fine. It's okay.
Tell him that we are coming in a big way. I am my kingsman.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you sure?
For giving me this beauty.
Okay.
Actually, go on. Otom. Maybe Buya. Buya Kum. Cha. 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 Let's go inside.
I'm happy that we'll have to spend some time.
Yes, so. Hey.
Don't kill me, I swear. Anyway, there's something about you I love so much. So smart.
Are you serious? But guess what? I love everything about you.
Really?
Yes, sir. Because at night I don't have to look for you now.
Taking out from me anyway.
I eat you banana now.
I ain't the banana.
Toscana can handbrake.
I ain't the Cubana.
Cubana, eh? Cubana, they better Cubana. Can't we go into me for I take for me?
Yeah. It's a bad door now.
Yeah. Hey. Baby.
Yes,
don't worry, tomorrow I'll buy something for you, okay?
Alright.
Something very special, trust me.
Alright.
Hey, I want to go and see my friend Dikeh. So I will see you later, okay?
Baby, I'm not happy that I'm going to miss you. But it's okay. I'm going to miss you.
Alright, later, eh?
Alright. Bye.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Ugo. Now, why I brought you here is to show you all the lands and properties that belongs to the Igbo. Yes. So, from that mango tree, adjacent to that palm fruit, to this other palm fruit, this land belongs to the Igbo.
Sorry, from that mango tree, this palm fruit.
But we have another one at that segment, but it was given to the youth, as I heard then, by the late Igbo. But no one has come to show us the plantation and boundaries.
Okay.
But we have another one down the riverside, the fourth palm fruit.
Are you serious?
Yes, down
the river.
Yes.
Let's see that.
Okay. Listen, you know why we gave you this mantle? Is that we see as someone that is enlightened, that can stand before the elders, the women, and you have gone far and wide. You can initiate companies to come to this community. Huh? Nobody can speak for us.
Oh my God.
That is why I say okay. This is the land I was telling you about. Okay. Now from this palm tree, as the river flows down to the boundary between Omoko and Obinna. Okay. Yes, that side. That is it. Then another one in that palm tree. Down to the Iguilos compound.
Yes.
That is it.
Wait, walk that side.
Okay, that side. That side does not belong to us, it belongs to the Umada. But that plantain that divides the two lands. What we are doing now is that if you know and the elders can help us, show us the boundary. We go in the water. We go. We go. We go.
Go away. Don't come close.
Sorry, can I know you?
I said leave me now.
I'm just trying to be a friend.
Get out!
Let's go.
What happened to you?
Nothing. Let's go.
Let's go.
I am not a baby, okay? When I say I'm fine, I'm fine. Let's go.
I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it.
Papa. The problem. For the past 2 hours now, you've been posting around. Organic song.
Ono called for a meeting, and after waiting for an hour, Ono had to send a message that is no longer coming. Just because his son kept out from America.
Eh? Papa, did I hear you say his son is back?
His son is back.
Which of his son, Papa?
Okay, of course.
Eh? Eh?
Okay, his son is back from America.
Okay. Okay.
Because of the meeting was cancelled.
Papa. Is that why you are worried? Oh, Papa, I've told you not to carry this community issue on your head now, eh? You will die and leave us here, Papa. You know that we cannot even handle it at all, eh, Papa?
Papa, in that case, I want to go and see you, okay?
I'm coming with you.
Talking rubbish. Idiot. Come on, get out of here. It's you. Get out of here.
Can you imagine? Okay, that does almost everything with us in the village. Now snubs me. No one will do. Hey!
But what do you expect? Eh? For someone who has not seen his family for years.
Well, not me. Abu, because I knew how we were before he left this village.
I'm but I'll have you to rest first.
No, let's hurry up and leave here.
Okechukwu! Hey! Enotago! Nnukwu mmadụ adịla fecha! Nwanne eji ya! Okechukwu nwa okoro! Anyị ma dị nwanne eji ya! Hey! Hey! Ashuru ya ooo! Odogwu abatago!
You're a monkey. You're a failure. If your name is not Ikechukwu, ma Ogumugunai, an idiot. So you have the guts, you worry your light
youth president, Ganye, that stupid guy called Ugo that wears one coat a year, Ugo no Yapa 1 year, Ugo Adiasao. Don't you know that we have our village people in America, Diego, that are coming back to contest for the youth president? If I tell you I know okay, Diego, you know who's that? You don't even know my real name now. My brother, my name is not just okay. My name is okay. Ego Bioko. Damn it! So you have not changed this your attitude. You haven't changed this your attitude. I thought leaving these shores to a better place will make you think like a normal human being. So you have not changed this your nonchalant attitude. You don't have respect. Let me tell you, you're a fool by giving that guy your rights. You are the one that's supposed to change. Mugu. You better go and correct that presidency or president, youth president, because that position is my life. That is why you will fly down to this village to contest for that. And as far as I'm concerned, it's my life. Open the again, there will be war. My brother, when I mean war, open the again, there will be war, both money anyhow. Fuck! Let me ask you this question. Were you ever a member of the youth forum? Have you done anything for the youth body since you were born in this community? My brother, let me tell you, I don't need to be a member of anything. Member of Omada, member of Omona, member of Omo, any group fucking, I don't care. Let me tell you, when money enters your life, people will like to be a member of your family, member of your motto, member of angel. Let me tell you, my name is not okay. My name is Ego Dioko, okay, hot money, dollar Dioko. So I have money. I don't have to banter words with you. You don't have to, because I have money. Let me change your life. Let's try Zagimugu. I'm not saying pass a magiki. Damn it. I'm talking about people that counsel in dollars, not $1, $100. I'm supposed to give you all the dollar, but since you don't have this sense, because you have sold your rights, so let me give you the one you deserve. That is not your problem. You better not me gonna pick it from the ground. Mugu. I know you enjoy by picking it from the ground. Let me drop this one here. I haven't tape or that money. See, let me tell you. Try and think over this thing, because I need that position, that youth president. If not,
through your glory, always hungry to do evil. Oh, why are you like this? This is wickedness. Wickedness is how this evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. This is wickedness. Wickedness is how this evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. Your heart is on the throne. You think you will rule. When you rule, you think you will rule.
what kind of problem is this? I never liked him for once, Okechukwu. I never liked him. Oh my God. What do I tell Ugo now? No. I have to tell him. He has to start now and be acting as a president. As a youth president. Because a leader will face challenges and conquer them. A leader must be bold.
Set this girl, no matter what it takes. I stake my life with everything, no matter how far it is.
What is bothering you?
Nothing. I'm fine.
How can you say nothing when you've been lost since you came back? You can't be fine. What is it?
Mama, I am not a baby. When I say I'm fine, or better still, I need space. Understand it.
Mazokoro. Mazokoro.
Mazena. How are you? My son, he just left with his son.
How about my American gift? You promised
that
me.
one is not a problem. Your gift is inside.
I should believe.
Tell me, how did the meeting go?
The meeting, I have to be honest with you. Once you go and Dagoba are becoming something else. They are becoming difficult. Do you know that they quarreled me because I brought them out to chat to you and attended the meeting?
Did you tell them what Ogugu said?
I did, but I don't think they understand. I did.
Well, that is their cup of tea. As far as I'm concerned, I am going to Ogugu that day.
Me too, I will go. Let me
The evil you do shows you have no heart, no conscience. Selfishness runs through your blood. Always hungry.
Uju!
Who gave you this?
Mazokoro. It's my own gift. Take it inside. Chap. If you drop it, you give me water.
Wow, God bless you. Okay, I'll get water for you now.
Bring the water, please.
I did not invite you here.
Yes, but please, can I help you? So let me help you. What else can I help you?
Please, can I sit? Thank you. I want to ask you a few questions, if you don't mind.
Right.
Thanks. What's your name?
Adugo.
Adugo. The princess of our kingdom. Yes, I've heard about you.
And what did you hear about me?
They said you are a witch and you killed your father.
Oh yeah. And I will also kill you if you do not stop coming here.
I never believed them.
Really?
Yes.
In the next 3 Eke market days, Okoro will be crowned next king of this village. The gods have spoken. Mazi Aguba, how could Ogugu pronounce Mazi Okoro Dikeh? I wonder. My hands and legs are not in this thing at all. And he knows what the custom is. That the offer must fly. Look, I am angry. As I am talking to you now, I am short of words. Say, this is sacrilege. I'm on my way. See you later. To think of it, is it that the Ofo has flown to Unu's house? Well, this is rather confusing. The gods are wise.
It has become official that I'm the new king of Omoko village.
Igwe!
And look at my step. Come on. Igwe. Igwe.
Soyas.
Igwe.
Soyas.
Igwe.
Soyas.
No, Papa, let me shock you. I will take my phone and call Barack Obama.
Obama?
Yes.
Obama can go.
Papa, David. Come on.
Damn it. But as you go back, I'm going to my step. Igwe.
Papa, what David now?
There's a better like this. Football. I am the king. I'm the new king. Okay, can you kiss me?
Go back here, Joe.
Papa, now I'm like a princess.
Hey!
Again, beauty one kojo. Kojo. Abala ise ju. Kojo. Odro fella, mo izo. Ola. Damn it. Baba, it is well with you.
Too much money.
Okay, Uncle, too much money. Adigwe. Oh God, they're gonna have money. It is well with you. Go and tell the community that there will be celebration in my abode tomorrow as the new king of Umoko. Go and announce it. It is well with you.
Damn it.
Damn it. Very awesome. I'm beginning to like that, damn it.
Go on.
Damn it. Look here.
More uncle.
Damn it.
Come on.
Hey, life is good.
One day you wait.
One day, we don't need to ask LG. Life is good.
Of course. Come on.
As the new king of Umoko, there will be celebration every day. Everybody will be happy.
Mama! Mama! Oh! Come.
What is it?
Hey! Mama! Our prime minister will become the next king in less than 3 years.
It's a lie. So finally, this kingdom will have a king.
Yes, sir.
Hey! It's not true. Hey! That is his daughter. Beauty will become the next princess of this kingdom. And if you marry her, royalty will enter this family. Hey! Hey! I can't believe this.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Mama! What? Am I lying? If you marry her, royalty will enter this family. Come, let's start making preparations for you to go and marry her. Hey! I can't wait. Hey! Come, follow me. Let's make preparations. Hey.
Mama. Mama, you are overspeeding. Mama, you are overspeeding.
Come, follow me.
Mama, you are overspeed. You are overspeeding.
Yeah. Let's make preparations together. My son.
Mama.
Hey! I'm so happy.
You are overspeeding. So because if the princess...
I say it can never not happen in this village. I cannot sit in this village and see Omo taking the kingship of this community. Papa, calm down. It can never happen. Papa, I say it can never happen.
Papa, calm down. What is it?
I've always told you not to involve yourself in this village issue. Papa, you know you are the only person we have. You just have to calm down. Take it easy. Be cool, Zeni. Be cool.
This is sacrilege. Let's see how it will happen in this village. I've heard you, my daughter. But let's see what will become of this battle.
Papa,
I will see the end of it.
Papa, calm down.
Let's wash. Let me wash.
You will fall sick.
And see what the cause of this land happened. Let's just wash.
Yes.
Let's just wash and see what cause happened.
Papa, let me bring you water so that you can calm down, okay? Papa?
Or no, who becoming the leader of this community? All is dead. And it will never happen. As far as I am alive, can we instead of it to happen, let two things happen. But in this community, it can never happen. Damn it! You go one bad shit. You go. Hey, shit. Damn it! What is it? I swear if you go, who did this to you? Is it not Ugo? Eh? Ugo near you for what? Baba, Ugo will not in jail.
Hey, what? Brother, Ugo, my husband, a man I want to get married to. He get married.
Very stupid. Go get out from my sight, idiot.
Okay, don't worry. I will go and warn his mother. Maybe I'll dress up for that.
You can't try it. For what? Papa, people, why out? For what? What kind of nonsense is that? Eh?
Papa, here is your water. Take the drugs now so I can go and get your food.
Is it not better for me to eat before taking my drugs? Huh?
It's still the same thing, Papa. Take the drugs first.
Okay. Go and get the food now.
This is wickedness. Wickedness is at his evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man.
Thank God I met you here. Your son had the guts to beat up my own son. I want you to go home and warn him. Tell him to desist from such act. If he tries it next time, he'll be begging for death. Death will not come. Death will be very far away.
Good night, please. I'm sorry.
When you cry, the evil you do shows you have no heart, no conscience. Selfishness runs through your blood, always hungry to do evil. Oh, why are you like that? This is wickedness. He's at his evil. He's a deadly man.
Mama? Mama?
This is wickedness.
Mama?
Wickedness. He's at his evil. He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. Your heart is on the throne. You will rule. When you rule, you think you rule the world. There's a hidden light watching you. A word is enough for the wise. Don't allow your desire to ruin you, destroy you. What you can do to yourself, don't do that to another. Greediness, selfishness, everything you have, it's evil. Don't forget that
Mama!
Judgment Day.
Mama!
This is wickedness. Wickedness is always evil. He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. This is wickedness. Wickedness is always evil. He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. This is wickedness. Wickedness.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. I was just coming from your house, but I could not find Ugo around. Is there any way I can find him?
I don't know. I don't know where you people used to go to. Just check him around one of these places now.
Okay, ma. But if he comes back, tell him I came to look for him. Huh?
I'll tell him.
Okay, ma. Oh, Dudume.
This is wickedness.
Oh, Dudume.
Wickedness is at his evil. He's dangerous. He's a deadly man.
We are calling kalikwala mmadụ karịrị ndị mmụọ ma nke kalikwala mmụọ karịrị mmadụ ọkwa anyị na-anụ ka ọgwụgwụ na-ekwu ọgwụgwụ igwe m ngwalọ ọgwụgwụ igwe m ngwalọ ọgwụgwụ ịgbakwa m nkịtị mgbala nkịtị maka niile kalikwala mmadụ kalikwala ndị mmụọ
Evil you do, those who have no heart, no conscience, selfishness.
I'm not here to banter words with you. I just want you to tell me why you called for the meeting.
I have nothing to tell you. Because the gods are silent to me.
But you called for the meeting? You said all of us should meet here.
Yes. I'm about to make a journey to the spirit land. To make sure that this very village has a king.
If it's about the kingship, you and I know that nobody can be made king except your form flies to his house.
Like I told you, I'm about to make a journey to the spirit land. Make sure you are here in 3 Eke market days for the meeting.
You have to stop that nonsense. Okay, listen to me. If you go ever dump me because of your stupid acts, okay, we will kill ourselves in this house. Are you hearing me? We will kill ourselves in this house.
Is it why you are shouting? Why?
Is it like not to shout? I am warning you, okay? I am warning you for the last time. Let me go for me for goodness sake. What is the problem?
Are you aware that you are talking to Ego Dioko, the America? Makamana give man no mind. No problem about you.
You've heard me. You better hear me. You better hear me. No problem. No problem. I ain't here for, okay?
Stop crying. Stop crying, don't worry. I'll talk to him. It's okay. Please, don't cry. I'll talk to him.
Mama, I don't know what I did to him. I don't know what I did. I don't know where I offended him. He just suddenly stopped talking to me. Mama, what did I do? Amanda.
I don't know why he doesn't want to settle down. Like
Mero, did I do anything wrong? Why?
It's okay. Sorry, stop. I'll talk to him, okay? Don't cry. Just go home and relax. Sorry,
Mama,
sorry.
I'm not going anywhere. Let me die here.
You won't die. Hey.
Mama, let me die here.
You won't die. It's okay, please.
Mama, let me die here. Oh, go. Oh.
You won't die. It's okay.
Mama, I'm not going. I'll die here.
It's okay.
I die here, Mama. I'm not going.
Hey. Stop. It's okay. Stand up, please.
Mama.
Hey, sorry. I'll talk to him. Relax.
Mama, you won't understand.
I understand.
Mama, I love Ugo. I love Ugo. Mama, why?
Sorry. Just come and sit down. Don't worry, sit down.
Mama,
sit down.
Yeah,
no, you won't die.
Mama,
you won't die. Stop. It's okay. Come, let me help you. Let me tell you what to do. Just get up. Stand up. What happened to your hand?
Just a minor injury.
Please tell me, what happened to your hand?
I fought.
Oh.
Is it painful?
Sorry.
Huh? How? So you have healing power. How did you do this?
I want to ask you something.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much.
I will save this girl no matter what it takes. I stake my life with everything, no matter how far.
You said you wanted to ask me a question.
Yes. Are you married?
I'm not married.
Why? Because you're old enough for it.
Yes, but I need to find someone that I truly love. That loves me as well.
But you have a girlfriend.
My mom forced me into that relationship.
Mommy's boy. I see.
I have been feeling somehow since we met.
Like how?
I can't explain, but I think I love you.
Get out now.
Huh?
I said move!
But that's how I feel.
Get out!
It's just, I didn't mean to upset you. That's how I feel.
Isiba, Ichie Ojuku is the only thorn on my flesh now.
I want you to kill him.
My power is for only 2 wishes, which you have used.
I know. Please help me.
I can't help you. Leave.
I will offer you a cow, please.
Just leave. Leave.
You were saying something.
Ugochukwu. Ugochukwu. We can easily forgive a child for being afraid of darkness. But the greatest tragedy is when real men and women are afraid of light. What is going on? Why are you avoiding me? I came to your house, I've sent messages to your mother severally, but no reply.
My brother, I have no reason to avoid you. What for? Just that I have been very, very busy lately.
Simple. You have been so busy that you cannot see me, Ikechiku. Ikechiku, your own friend. But that is not why I came. The main reason I came is that what is happening now has never happened in the history of the youth body. That a sitting president has never called an ESCO meeting before. What is happening? The youths are on me.
Like I said before, I have been very, very busy. All is well, okay? Look at what will happen. Tell the youths that we will have a meeting in 2 days' time. Then next week. Are you happy?
If you say so.
Ogugu, I had a terrible sign yesterday on my way to my house. Ogugu, something terrible is
I had the same sign. But I'm pleading to the gods to temper justice with mercy.
I must go. I must go. I will save this girl no matter what it takes. I stake my life.
Ugo has totally changed.
I am surprised. Ugo does not call me nor pick my calls.
I thought Ugo has left me. I don't know he actually do it to you as well.
Yes, of course. That is what it is.
Ugo has changed. Ugo has totally changed.
If you ask me, I don't know what to say.
I think something is fishy somewhere. Some things doesn't just seem right.
I must find out. When you want to kill a mysterious bird, you get a mysterious pebble and bring up a mysterious stone and shoot in a mysterious way.
I stake my life with everything, no matter how far it is.
Stop stressing yourself over this issue.
Angel, you will not understand. I have been friends with Ugo from childhood, and since then I've never seen this kind of act from him. Ugo disappeared into the thin air. How can you go somewhere and single-handedly give the youth president of this village? Disappear? How do I face the youth body and escorts? This is serious.
But have you gone to ask of him in his house?
I have gone. I have asked people. I have already asked the mother, and all my efforts prove abortive. The woman says she doesn't know where he is.
It's okay. Stop stressing yourself, okay? Ugo is not a kid. Whatever he does, he knows what he's doing. Please.
Look, Angel. There are things men can see, women cannot see. There is no hypocrisy greater than wearing an ego and denying me the ability to soar. Omeko as a village has no king. Now they have no youth president. What is the way forward?
It's okay. It's okay, yeah? Ugo will come back.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I must go. I must go.
Ugo, you did very well. Let me tell you about how I found myself here.
Flashback.
Papa! Papa,
Papa, why are you moody?
The throne is neither hot nor cold for me.
How?
Someone is looking for my trouble. In this palace, I am telling you to be careful so that you don't become the victim.
What the point I'm trying to make is this. Igwe does not have any son. Apart from that little girl. But I have a son and I have a daughter. And the son apparently is going to be the heir to the throne. So, I mean, we have to do something to remove Igwe. How do you do something to remove the Igwe?
Remove it, then who are we going to replace?
Then I'll become the Igwe.
But I disagree with you. I disagree with you.
But you and I were in this together.
Yes, I know, but I don't want to be involved. I don't want to involve myself in this kind of situation, okay? Please, count me out.
Save this girl, no matter what it takes. I stake my life.
So one of those elders killed your father.
Yes.
one of them. During my father's burial, I was struck with this.
And that made everyone to believe that I actually killed my own father.
It's okay. It's okay, but we have to seek for solution. You can't continue like this.
That is it, though. You know Ugo now? Ugo? Yes, now Ugo. Sugar. Mazokoro's son, the one we grew up together with.
Oh, Mazokoro's son. Oh, yes, Ugo. What happened?
Ugo is nowhere to be found, though. After making him the youth leader of this village. You know Ugo is intelligent. Because of his intelligence, they decided to give him the youth leader of this village.
Akosinabiko!
I don't know what is befalling this village.
You said?
Imagine.
Nowhere to be found.
I know we don't have Igwe. And now we don't have youth leader too. Yeah, I'm running away from this village. Go and get you water first.
You said... Wait. Brother, he's nowhere to be found.
I'm telling you, go is nowhere to be found. Go and get me water. Let me see this.
Are we safe in this village?
Ask me where you bring the water.
Take this now, sir. Always wear it. And when you get to the river bank, dip it to the river. It will pave a way for you to the pond back.
Save this girl, no matter what it takes. I stake my life with everything, no matter how far it is.
Go!
I must go. I must go. I will save this girl, no matter what it takes. I stake my life with everything, no matter how far it is. I must go. I must go. Save this girl, no matter what it takes. I stake my life with everything, no matter how far it is. I must go. I must go. I will save this girl, no matter what it takes. I stake my life with everything, no matter how far it is. I must go. I must go. I will save this girl, no matter what it takes. I stake my life with everything, no matter how far it is. I must go. I must go. I will save this girl, no matter what it takes. I stake my life with everything, no matter how far it is. I must go. I must go.
What brought you to the land of the dead?
I want to save the love of my life.
Do you know the implications of what you did?
I know, but I mean no harm.
Which of them? Because we have given a lot of them in the world, hunchback. Look at the frame.
Here she is.
She just has only 3 hours to die.
What? 3 hours to die. So what do I do now?
Only a true love kiss save her. True love kiss. True love kiss. True love kiss. True love kiss. True love kiss.
Save this girl, no matter what it takes. I stake my life with everything, no matter how far it is. I must go, I must go. I will save this girl, no matter what it takes.
He's ready to die. He's taking his life. He has made up his mind. He's going down, going down. He's ready to die. He's ready to die. He's taking his life. He has made up his mind. He's going down, going down. He's ready to die.
As we all know, that today marks the new Igwe in our community after 2 years.
He's a deadly man.
With the power bestowed on me, I want to crown our new...
Hey! She was supposed to be dead. Huh? Hey! Hey! I will confess. Confess! Confess!
Papa, what is it?
I will confess you.
Papa?
I was the person that killed our Igwe.
I also made his daughter, the princess, to have a hunchback.
Hey! Papa!
when he confronted me, Ini Edo.
Isiba possesses me now. So, listen, if you want to stay alive, you have to remain silent. I have a mission, or I'll kill you.
How come?
This is wickedness. Wickedness is a deceiver. He's dangerous. He's a deadly man. Your heart is on the throne. You think you will rule. When you rule, you think you rule the world. You forgot there's a hidden eye watching you, watching you. The world is enough for the wise. Don't allow your desire to win you, destroy you. What you can do to yourself, don't do that to another. Greediness.
Isiaba gave me option of 2 powers to operate. I used the first one to kill the Igwe. Then I used the second one to give the princess a hunchback, as this will help me get to the throne.
David!
Papa!
Allow him to die! Blast the phone! Yes. Take it.
his heart is evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. This is wickedness. Wickedness. His heart is evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. What is the meaning of life when it's about you? You derive joy, putting another in pain. I see you smile when you cry. The evil you do shows you have no heart, no conscience. Selfishness runs through your blood, always hungry to do evil. Oh, why are you like this? This is wickedness. Wickedness. His heart is evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. This is wickedness. Wickedness. His heart is evil. He is dangerous. He's a deadly man. Your heart is on the throne. You think you will rule when you rule.